Another strong day on the equity markets would have been too much to ask for. The main index was down, but volumes have been below average during the past few days, so there's a lot of spectators out there. The banks were sold off. QBE stuck to its outlook guidance for the 2011 financial year. There are a few angry Foster's shareholders at the company's annual general meeting today because of the Saab Miller takeover, particularly since they've now been told beer sales are expected to pick up. Most miners fell, except for the big players. There were reports that coal miner New Hope was considering a takeover bid from an Indian steelmaker, among others. Rio was blaming its Brazilian competitor Vale for the fall in iron ore prices because its rival has shifted some shipments from Europe to China. Iron ore accounts for 25% of our goods exports, and some think the falling price shown by the green line is one reason the Reserve Bank might need to cushion the economy by cutting interest rates next week. But it may not be as bad as it looks, because the other line shows iron ore shipping rates are rising, suggesting China is stepping up its buying. Here's the form guide for the inflation measure the Reserve Bank cares about, core inflation, out tomorrow, which we're told will be an important ingredient in the interest rate decision. A 0.5% rise for the quarter or less will have the economists saying inflation is easing and there's room to cut rates. That means the Australian dollar would probably fall, at least temporarily, but right now it's quite a bit stronger, particularly against the euro. And that's finance.